As you can see, we have 4 different types of tomatoes. We have whole peeled tomatoes, then chopped tomatoes in large pieces, followed by a slightly finer texture, and finally, the smoothest puree of them all. To be honest, it doesn't really matter which kind you buy. The most important thing to remember is that even if you have large chunks, you can always use a blender to achieve this smooth, final consistency. Try to drain some of the excess liquid to reach a nice, thick consistency like this. If your pizza sauce is too watery, your pizza might actually burn on the edges, so you want to avoid that. We'll set the others aside and work with the finest texture. We're going to use 260 milliliters of the best pizza sauce you can find. Next, add 2 to 3 grams of salt. We'll also add a pinch of sugar to balance the natural acidity of the tomatoes. Then, pour in 5 milliliters of olive oil. Now, we're adding oregano. Make sure to buy the best quality available because oregano provides that signature flavor you don't want to miss. I'm using 1 small tablespoon. Last but not least, I add a whole clove of garlic and let it infuse overnight. However, if you plan to use the sauce within 2 or 3 hours, you should finely mince about 1/3 of a clove using a grater. I prefer using fresh garlic because its main component, allicin, breaks down when cooked. Store the sauce in the fridge for a couple of hours before you start making your pizza. I guarantee you, this will be one of the best pizza sauces you've ever made.